Miss, I don't want to do this. I'd rather dance salsa. I had 25 pairs of eyes staring back at me, wondering how I was going to respond. I had absolutely no idea how to dance salsa, so I asked my students, well, can you teach me? Their eyes got big. No, miss. So I tried to learn the basics online, and my students laughed at me in disgust. Miss, you're doing it all wrong. You shouldn't be doing that. Well, can you teach me, please? No, miss. It took me years to raise enough money to bring in a guest artist that could teach my students authentic dances from their culture. My name is Ella Rosewood, and I started Crelata to make access to arts education more equitable.